Today, I'm going to be showing you guys another one of my favorite spots to go fishing at here in Southern California, the Los Angeles side. There's a whole bunch of videos out there, but they're mostly in Florida, and the ones you can find in California, it's either in NorCal or SoCal, but SoCal San Diego. So if you're in Los Angeles and you're trying to find some good spots that you've never heard of, stick around because I'm making a video series about it. And this is episode number 2, the Ballona Creek Bridge. This spot right here it's a jetty. It's in Marina del Rey, Playa del Rey area. And if you search up Ballona Creek Bridge on Google Maps, it'll take you exactly where you need to go. Start with the first thing that you want to know about any fishing spot, which is parking. There's going to be 2 parking spots, one to the left and one to the right of the bridge. So you can park there, and then to the right is another parking lot. This is where I like to park because it's closer to the side where I fish, which is right over there. See where all these cars are parked? I would usually find parking there, but if I can't find any, I will go park over there or I will go park over here. You can pay by coin or by card. Then your ticket should pop up right there. Put it up on your windshield. Right there. Walk all the way to the middle of the bridge. Now the bridge here is closed off. There's fences on the left side and on the right side. You can fish both sides. Never once gotten kicked out fishing there. And I've seen some guys on the left side hop the fence and fish on that side. I like the right side a little bit better because there's a torn off fence that you can use to access the bridge. Watch out for that hole. Then we'll fish over here on this side. So the way I fish this, right? You're gonna need 2 rods. One to catch the bait fish, and then one for the big fish. A net, but you would typically want to use a crab net because you need something that goes down. Okay, so 2 rods, your net, preferably a crab net, and then you'll need your bucket. I keep it in this plastic bag because it smells and I don't want it stinking up the place when I take it back home. And you're gonna need some rope. You don't actually need this. You could use 1 rod, use a high-low rig, leave it on the bottom, and then wait for some fish to come. But what we're targeting today, guys, is bass, sand bass, and halibut. Tie up your rope. I don't have a special knot or anything that I can show you guys. I just tie a bunch of knots to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Drop your bucket and kind of finagle it so that it catches water. And I'll show you guys what this bucket's for, but I'm pretty sure y'all can guess it. Try to get a thicker rope. The one I have is a little thin. I use this for camping, so I'm just using what I have. Get your bucket, put it down right there. That's for the bait. For the bait rod, we're gonna be using this Sabiki rig, size 12. You want something small because the live bait that we're trying to get today is it's called Jack Smelt, and they have very small mouths, at least the ones that are over here. And guys, with these Sabiki rigs, if you guys keep the paper, you can actually reuse them. There's no reason to throw them out after you're done using it, once. These are like $3 to $4 a pop. And what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to mimic bait fish, like little bait fish that the smelt that we're trying to catch is, feeding on. And then for the weight, I'm gonna be using a size 2. I like it because I want the line to be tight so that when a fish bites on it, you can really feel the pull of that fish and you can just yank it. You would line up those Sabiki rigs. You can use shrimp, you can use squid. I like to use shrimp. Shrimp is my go-to bait. Today I brought some tortillas. Usually you would want to use bread. Sprinkle it around, chum it a little bit, and then when they start coming through, they see the bread, they start feeding. They'll see one of your hooks and then they'll bite on it. All right, so now for the big rod. I think it's an 8-foot Daiwa D-Shock rod that I bought from a garage sale. Once we catch small baby bait fish, we're gonna hook it up live to this rod right here. The rig that we're gonna be using is called the Carolina rig. When the halibut is coming through, it'll just be way down and then hopefully it gets hooked through our line. And then for the leader line, guys, I'm gonna be using a 20-pound fluorocarbon. You can use mono just fine, it'll work. And then I usually go about like 12 to 16 inches of lead, just about this wide or this long. For the hook, I think this is a size 1/0 circle hook or octopus hook. Strategy, like you guys are seeing, you get the bucket, fill it up with water, set up your Sabiki rig. Once you got your Sabiki rig going, drop it down, and then you want to sprinkle bread just start sprinkling it. Grab it in your hands and kind of just do what I was doing. That'll attract the schools of jack smelt, which are usually hiding under the bridge or just right in front of it. So you're gonna want to just catch as many as you can, probably like 5 or 6. Put it in your bucket, and then that's when you set up your second rod, which is the main rod. So you want something heavy duty, and you want the line at least 30 pounds. 30-pound line, 30-pound test. I use is braided line with a monofilament leader. And then something optional, which I think you should buy, which I don't have yet, is a crab net. Because if you catch a big halibut on that bridge, it's gonna be impossible for you to just ring up with just your rod. Nice. On the bait ball or dough ball. Then what you want to do is take your circle hook and then hook them right through the lips, just like that. All right, and chuck them right in the middle. There we go. Perfect. Oh, someone's taking our bait. I hope it's a halibut. I don't know if it's the wind. Oh, okay, here we go. Someone's trying to take it. Someone's trying to take it. Oh, here we go. It's on. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, it feels like a bass. Oh, let's go. Oh, this thing is pulling. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. It's a bass. It's a bass. Come on, buddy. Stop moving, bro. Relax, relax, relax. You'll be all right. First fish of the day. Finally, a big one. What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? Bass, it's a bass. All right, now I gotta land it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, boy. Oh my gosh. Look at his teeth. Look at his teeth. Okay. Wow. Oh shit. Okay. I gotta measure this. 14 inches. 14 inches. Let's go. All right, dude. Oh, yeah, buddy. You got a tape measure? Yeah. Hell yeah. That's gigantic, dude. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that. Where's the net? we don't have that drop. What is this? Dude, what is it? I've never seen this. This is like a sargo or something. This is a giant sargo, bro. Holy. Because what we might have to do, we might have to drag it. I'll go down there by the rocks, and then we'll get it. Yeah, slowly drag it over here, and then.
Nah, he's tired. You got him. Where is it? Wow. It's a video.
All right, y'all, so that is the end of today's video. Hope you guys liked it. The only thing I can't give this fishing spot credit for is the bathroom. There's no bathroom. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys liked the video. I'm gonna be making more of these videos, you know, my favorite spots all around Southern California, near Los Angeles. So stick around, share this video. Don't share it to everybody, all right? No, just share it with your friend that you trust. You know, tell me what you guys missed, what I didn't go over that you guys wanted to know, what you guys were curious about, and tell me if you guys have been here before, man. Maybe you'll see me around there fishing. I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.